Hey, what's going on everyone? This is Chase here at Rocky Mountain. Thank you so much for checking in. Another cool product from Tusk to show you today for the Yamaha TW200. It is this front utility rack. You know, if you're gonna be doing just commuting, casual trail riding, or if you're gonna go for a multi-day adventure ride, it's nice to have good locations to put your gear on your bike. And this just gives you another really good option. Tusk does have a rear utility rack as well that you definitely wanna check out if you haven't already. That is a nice big rack on the back. You can put a lot of luggage back there, but this rack to me, I think is gonna be awesome for, you know, if you want to put a tool roll up on here, a first aid kit, other items like that. It's a great location. Now, when they were building and designing this, they wanted to have strength in mind. And as far as the mounting goes, it mounts right up to the clamps on your fork, so it's very sturdy mounting. And what's cool is you notice that there's two heights on here. You have the low and the high. Now, this is gonna be a rider preference, which one you wanna go with, but regardless, it's the same mounting brackets. All you have to do is just flip the brackets, and that will dictate if you want it in the low or the high version. It's made from laser cut powder coated steel, so again, very strong. A lot of cutouts, makes it easy to get your gear tied down when you have it on top of there. But again, with the Yamaha TW200, it's nice to have a good location to carry some additional gear and items with you on your rides, regardless of what type of riding that you're going to be doing. So if you've been shopping for something like this, this is an awesome accessory. Again, check out the rear utility rack that we also have. Last thing I will point out is you notice too that Tusk also does make a high fender kit, one for both the OEM and an aftermarket super motard fender. And if you have the high fender kit with the OEM fender, it's just gonna utilize that same bracket for that fender to get everything mounted up. So everything integrates together, all works seamlessly. Questions, comments, leave those down below. We'll make sure to get those answered. To grab one and see all the different accessories that we have for the TW200, it's simple. Click on the link or head to RockyMountainATVMC.com, enter the year, make, and model of the bike that you have on the homepage, and you will see everything that will fit your motorcycle. As always, we ship for free over 75 bucks, and to stay up to date on products like this for the T-Dub and other bikes, get subscribed, hit the notification bell. I'm Chase, and we'll see you on the trails.